Alrighty, I'm going to do this for Scorpio people. How are you guys? That wants to come out. That doesn't surprise me. You guys are like passionately running ahead, trying to go after what turns you on. What crosses you? Oh gosh. What is this? What crosses you is the family money? Family business? That's on your mind and that feels like a burden to you? That's crossing you. Wonder why. Underneath the foundation, seems like you are at an impasse. You're at a crossroads. You're coming from a place where you're trying to be happy, find stuff to be happy about. In your head, let's see what you're thinking about. No? Okay, let's try one more. You're thinking about going it alone. Oh, but you want your options. This guy wants options. He's got a lot of energy. He's looking for the next best thing. Let's see. The Four of Coins. This is hanging on to something too tight. Wonder what this could be. You're hanging on to something. You're protecting something. You're like, hanging on very tightly. It's like, what is it that you won't let go of? Your environment. This is good for the environment. This is perfect. This means you have a happy home. Or at least it appears that way. Others see you as the King of Swords. Or the Queen. The Queen of Swords. She like wants a divorce. This is the divorce queen in my opinion. She wants to cut away people and things that don't serve her. So she's cutting away lies. She wants truth. What you fear? It's saying you fear like obsession or addiction. I don't know, maybe you feel addicted to something or obsessed with something. Maybe it's sex, because that's what this is, sex. Let's see, what turns out with you balancing. So you're juggling. Maybe you're juggling two people. Okay, so let's see if I can clarify this. Please clarify the Two of Coins for Scorpio. Uh-oh. That means cheating, lying, deception. But this could be the universe coming in and just demolishing everything. This is a disaster. So maybe this is a disaster waiting to happen. If you're balancing, trying to juggle more than one person, that's a disaster waiting to happen. What's this for? You're hanging on to your love. You're hanging on to love? What's the Queen of Swords about for Scorpio? Something that's finished or that you'd like to finish. Something that you're trying to look at all sides about. Let's see, what is the Two of Swords about? Sadness, looking at what you've lost. Balance, you need to stay balanced when it comes to that. What's the Devil about for Scorpio? Feeling hurt, needing to heal from something. It's like withdrawing from something. Giving something one last shot, but feeling like you can't deal with it, needing to withdraw and find answers within. This is like, whatever this is, whatever this devil is to you, whatever it represents, it could be sex, it could be anything that is lower energy that we overindulge in. So this guy's an overindulger. And maybe it's hurt you. And you just want to take a break. You're really not acting on it. That's good. What's the happiness card about for Scorpio? The happiness card. The Ten of Cups. What is the Ten of Cups about for Scorpio? It's creating love, creating happiness, and that's good. What's the Ten of Coins? Why is that crossing Scorpio? You have an idea, a clear idea of something, but it's not gone anywhere. It's in regards to money. So what else can I tell Scorpio? What is this? The Nine of Coins. What is the Nine of Coins about for Scorpio? Oh, it's standing up for what it is you believe. It's standing up for your right to be independent, enjoy life. Enjoy what it is you're doing. What's the King of Wands about for Scorpio? It's growth. It's a long term. This is long term. It's abundance of spiritual energy. It's secrets. Secrets, abundance. So there's abundant secrets. Or, let's see, Scorpio. This is the long term. Three of Wands. Abundance. It's cooperation. The High Priestess could be a woman. Okay, so the Queen of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups upside down. So this is not abandoning something that has to do with basic on the ground money and what it is that needs your attention. Let me see what else I could do with that. I got these cards. So give me some clarity on this Two of Coins for Scorpio and the Tower. What is the clarity on the Two of Coins? What about the Juggler? What is Scorpio juggling? And what can I tell them with this? The Ring, a commitment, a contract. Could be marriage. It's a contract and you're juggling it. What's the Tower about for Scorpio? Brighter. It's fulfilling your dreams. Fulfillment of your hopes and dreams. What about the Devil? Clarify the Devil for Scorpio. Crossroads. It's upside down. So it's a direction that you're taking. Oh, yeah. It's saying that you have to choose the high road. You have to choose what's right. What is he hanging on to? What is Scorpio hanging on to? There's a lady here. So this could be a soulmate. And the Gentleman. So there's a couple here that you're hanging on to. You're hanging on to this energy of this couple. A gentleman, this could be a soulmate masculine energy and a soulmate feminine energy. Wow, that's good. Well, that's what I'm getting for Scorpio for now. Thanks for listening, everybody. I hope I could clarify this, but this is what I'm getting for now. Talk to you later.